In this video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone message notification sound not working. But before that, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. The first thing you should check is go to the side of your iPhone and go and look for a silent mode switch on the side of your iPhone, just above the volume buttons. If I go and click it on, as you can see, it then says silent mode off. So make sure your silent mode is off. The next thing is making sure you don't have a mode like do not disturb or focus mode. To check this, all you need to do is open up your control center. As you can see, I've got this option for focus. If you're going to long hold on it, you can see all the other modes. And if that's enabled, then it's going to silence all notifications, so make sure that's disabled. The next thing we can do is go into your settings and then go down to sounds and haptics, go down to ringtone and alert volume. If you've got change with buttons on, that means as soon as you change your iPhone volume, that's also going to adjust your ringtone volume. So you can keep this toggled off, so you can always get this louder by dragging it up. I also recommend doing is making sure you have got sound notifications turned on for the Messages app or other apps as well. So to do that, come back to your main settings and tap on notifications. Scroll down until you see messages. I'm going to tap on it and then scroll down until you see sounds. If none is selected, then no sound is going to be played. So make sure you have got one selected. You can try restarting your iPhone if it's glitching. To do that, just press the increase volume button, then decrease, and then hold the power button. You'll then see the screen here. Just continue to hold your power button, then let go as soon as you see the Apple logo. If you've got an iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, then hold the power button on the right hand side and the decrease volume button until you go into the Apple logo once again. And if you've got an iPhone 6s or older, then hold the power button and the home button at the same time. I do hope one of these methods did fix the problem. That's all for this guide, guys. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye!